All right, folks, so I'm working on this dark blue Camry. I think it's a 16 model. And something's hit the back of it, and it's really damaged it pretty bad. And yeah, these plastic bumpers, I can feel the scratches. It's not going to buff out, but let me see how much better I can make it. That's all they're asking. If I can camouflage it where it's a lot harder to see, blends in, then I've done my job. You really need to paint this bumper, but I think that's $350 or $250. I forget what the guy said, but I'm gonna probably charge you $150 and make it go away. See what happens. All right, folks. So I got the scratches sanded down. Definitely feels a lot smoother. So what I'm going to do now, since I'm dealing with a plastic bumper that's this badly damaged, there's one more step I will take on this car that I don't usually take. I'm going to introduce some paint in this, and I'm going to actually wipe it on with this towel right here. So I got some generic dark blue paint. I'll wipe it on with that paper towel, let it dry, and that wheel has a little trick to it, but I can make that work, I believe. Let me get on it. Be right back. All right, there you see it. The paint was wiped on with the towel, paper towel right here, dark blue. Just a generic dark blue. You want something dark, as dark as the panel. A lighter blue wouldn't have worked. It wouldn't have worked. It just would have left light blue streaks. So things you need to learn, but been doing this for 20 plus years. So we'll get here and we'll get the buffer out, and this should come out pretty nice. We'll see. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. If you look right here, see if I can get you. There's still two lines right there. What it is, those are indentations. Whatever hit there rubbed deep into the bumper, and I can't buff stuff like that out. And there's an indentation right through here. If you look real close, you can see it right through there. There you go. And one over here somewhere, right here. So those are just little dents, dings in the plastic. But look at that. I've been on this for about less than 30 minutes, between 20 and 30 minutes. That's the entire time, from the time I looked at it to the time I wet sanded it, wiped it down, and then rubbed that paint on it, this paint right here, and then let it dry a few minutes, and then buffed it. Less than 30 minutes to repair this bumper. It's a permanent repair. It was done with paint and a heavy cut buff, and you can wash it right now. It's dry. It's good to go. And it's no swirls, no fuzziness. I'm gonna charge you $150. I got 20 minutes in this. All right, folks, that's how you repair a bumper. Look, guys, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, and I'll continue to share some helpful videos for you guys and stuff I work on.